Hi, nice to meet you.
I'm Giulia. Nice to meet you.
Edoardo.
So, where is Sicily?
The Sicily is situated in South Italy.
Yeah, beautiful. Where are situated beautiful seaside in Sicily?
There is Isola Bella, situated in East Sicily, near Giardini Naxos.
Oh, what is the most beautiful city for you?
For me, Taormina, my my non mi-
My hometown?
yeah,
My hometown? Yeah.
Uh,
What are typical food in Sicily?
we have more typical food, for example, cassata, cannolo, panelle, pistachio, chocolate, agrumi, wine, pomodoro sauce.
Yeah. Where are from pistachio and chocolate?
Pistachio are from Bronte. I like that because it is very delicious. And chocolate from Modica.
Oh,
It's a
Monica.
beautiful town, yeah.
Yeah, is much famous in the world for its chocolate.
Yeah, I like that city.